Welcome to our motorcycle tour of Scotland in the year 2016. We started at Wuppertal and take the motorway to the Netherlands to Ilmuten, and then we take the ferry to Newcastle. It was a wonderful summer day. Now we leave the port from Ilmuten. We are not alone at the ferry, it's very busy. Youth take a place on the deck. This is the way the ferry takes to Newcastle. 9 o'clock in the morning the ferry was in Newcastle and we take the motorcycles. Now we must show our passport. After the port we start in the direction of north and the first stop we have nearby Edinburgh. Now the adventure begins with the links traffic. Signs are on the street that help us. So, cars are in front of me, that's wonderful, and signs are on the street. It's getting no better. We take a lot of motorways after the port. It's the simplest way to get in direction north where we want. I planned a route at the computer at home and it was very easy to drive with a navigation system. The guys behind me, it's very easier for them. They take a look at me and drive along the way. At the motorway we can drive a little bit faster and we take the way to the north. roundabout traffic, it goes like another direction as in Germany, but to drive with other cars it's very easy for us. You must have a look at the speed limit. There are a lot of speed cameras at the motorway or other streets, but it's simply the same speed limit as we have in Germany. That's no problem, but take a look. And here you can see we have made a little stop and pull the motorcycles and drink a cup of coffee. As you can see, the grass is green, the fields are green, the trees are green. It's a wonderful green landscape here. On the right side you can see there is a castle, and a castle with camping. It looks very, very nice. Welcome in Scotland. There's a sign. Thank you very much, and we are there. So this is the first overtaking on the right side for me, but it works with a motorcycle. On the left side there's a shield with our camping park. Now we leave this motorway. We take this camping park while he has a bus stop nearby to take the bus to Edinburgh. Now left and take the left side of the street. this is the end from part 1 from our motorcycle tour. Thank you for watching and hope to see you at the part number 2. Your Wolfgang.